All right, we are going to practice making some words with R-controlled vowels, AR, and in a few moments, OR. But let's start with AR, car, R. So let's start with that word, car. If this word were following the pattern, we're following the rules, we would say this word car. So you can hear how that R is actually changing the sound of the letter A in this word. R. If we were to change the first letter of that word to an F, we would have the word R, far. If we were to add an M to the end of that word, we would have the word R, farm. So let's practice making some words with this AR spelling pattern. Using the AR spelling pattern, how would you spell the word barn? As in, the chickens live in a barn. The word is barn. Very good. We would spell that word B-R-N. B-A-R-N. Barn. Let's try another one. Using that A-R-R spelling pattern, how would you spell the word star? Listen carefully. There's a blend at the beginning of the word. Star. As in, I see a star in the night sky. Star. Very nice. So we're going to put an S and a T, a blend at the beginning of that AR spelling pattern. And now we have the word star, star. Let's try one more, and then we'll work with the OR. Using that AR spelling pattern again, can you spell the word charm? Charm means to be very sweet and nice and friendly. If you are those things, you might be described as having charm. And listen, because there's a digraph at the beginning of the word. Charm. All right. So at the beginning of charm, we hear ch. Then we have our R-controlled vowel, R. And then at the end of the word charm, we hear the M. So we have ch, R, charm. Let's try a few words with the OR spelling pattern. O-R, horn, or. And let's first look at our keyword, horn. And this is that pointy, sort of stick-like thing coming out of the head of a cow, right, or a deer. They have a horn on each side of their head. So we would say this word, or, horn, right? And if we take the R out for a moment and we just look at this word, han, right? We can see how that R really changes the sound of the O in the word, okay? So if this is the word horn, how would you spell the word for? Let me just take these out for a second. This present is for you. How would we spell the word for? And if you said F-O-R, you are correct. Now let's turn the word for into the word fort. Fort. A fort is like a little house or something that you build that you can kind of keep yourself safe in, right? Fort. So if you said F-O-R-T, you are correct. Fort. Fort. You can hear that or sound in the middle. Let's make another word with our R-controlled O-R. Let's make the word torn. My dress was torn when it snagged on a nail. Torn. And if you said T-O-R-N, you are correct. This word is t or n, torn. means to be ripped. And let's try one more with the word with the OR spelling pattern. That R controlled vowel. Can you use that R controlled vowel to spell the word corn, as in the vegetable, that yellow vegetable that you eat? Corn, corn. And if you said C-O-R-N, you are correct. K or N, corn. Very nice work with these R controlled vowels.